Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can take a screenshot of any type of iPad. So there are two types of iPads, the newer ones without a home button and the older ones with the home button. The way to take a screenshot is different for each type. So for iPads with a home button, you'll press the power button at the top and the home button at the same time. Just press both together. And for the newer iPads, you'll press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And after you take a screenshot, you can crop it or draw on it. And when you're finished, just press on done in the top left corner and save it to your photos. View your screenshots, just open your Photos app and look under Recents, and your screenshots will be there in order. But if you want another way to screenshot your iPad, you can just activate your Siri shots. You can open your Photos app and there you'll find your screenshots. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.